Welcome to OK Salam, where you can meet your second half. We'll show you how easy it is to join and get started now. So, let's get you registered. Click on the Register button to create your account. After filling out the form completely, scroll down and click the I agree checkbox. Then click the Register button. Next, upload your profile picture. Choose your picture and click the Upload button. Your picture will be approved shortly. You can also add more images from the Photos tab. If you decided you want to remove an image, simply select the image and click the Remove Photo button. You'll also need to validate your email address. This is an important step to be able to use OK Salam. Open your email program and look for the email from OK Salam. Click on the Validate link to validate your address. All done! Now let's have a look at your profile page. Make sure to fill out as many details about yourself as possible. This will allow our state-of-the-art advanced Match Me filtering technology to give you the best results by pairing you with someone similar on OK Salam. To use this awesome feature, along with many other features such as gallery photos, who liked me, sending and accepting chat requests, and the ability to see who is looking at your profile, simply just upgrade your account. To do this, go to the Full Membership tab. You can upgrade by clicking on the package you like best. Then click the Pay Now button, using PayPal's highly secured easy checkout system. Let's take a look at the main menu bar and go through each tab. Your Profile tab allows you to view your profile summary, view your profile, and edit your profile. In your Photos tab, you can upload and delete photos. To use the search feature, you can scroll down and browse through the pictures. Or you can use the filtering options available, such as living in, age, online, or has photo. You can also click the More Filters button to open even more options and really refine your search. By clicking the Match Me tab, an upgraded feature, this will automatically match you with someone suitable and you can view their profile by clicking on their image. You can also access this feature from the Search tab. The Messages tab will display your messages. The Timeline In, another upgraded feature, will allow you to see who viewed your timeline, who sent you a salam, who likes you, who favorited you, who sent you a chat request, your chat list, who rejected you, and who blocked you. You will also get notified through this tab, where you can accept a chat request and message back and forth. The Timeline Out, another upgraded feature, will allow you to see what you sent to others, such as your salams, your likes, your favorites, your chat request, your chat list, your rejects, and the people you blocked. Your Full Membership tab is where you upgrade to those awesome premium features we just spoke about. In the Settings tab, you can change your password, hide or show your profile, or remove your profile. Your Help tab is where you can find frequently asked questions and get site support. And finally, your Sign Out tab, which allows you to sign out when you're done browsing. Also, your identity is completely anonymous, and there are no ads to worry about, because we care about your user experience. If you are looking for the best place to find your second half, OK Salam can drastically increase your chances of finding that one-of-a-kind, perfect partner for you.